What is up, guys? It is Carter Shorter here. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys. Before we start, hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. So today, I have some. It's kind of like a serious topic, but it's basically about what happened yesterday. So, as y'all know, the new Christmas event came out, and there have been like some things going back and forth because it's like kind of like the fourth time Nick Gills plays us. But basically, he wants us to spend a bunch of money on the new items. And I don't blame him. He wants to make money, but I still feel like it's a bit overpriced. Okay, so let's do some math. Back of not this, but last year's uh Halloween, we had the unlocking of tiers for Battle Axe 2, I believe that's what it was, because you had the Batwing promo, and you would get Battle Axe 2 by buying through all the tiers. And if I'm correct, that cost 60,000 Robux, which is around 60 USD. Now, let's just play regular murder mystery. It's kind of a long video. Um, After constantly checking my mic cord because it's been trippy for a while. But basically, I feel like the values aren't really being like graded fairly. So let me explain. So and this goes with anything. So you guys know how Nickels also has his shop promos, right? Which are like you buy a $15 to a $30 item, and you get the code for the item, which in this case have all been Eternals. Well, the max amount you can spend on those items is like $50 plus shipping. Um, so you're paying less, but you're getting an item which is worth more. So the normal Eternal, I remember it used to be like 180 seers, and like the Eternal 2 is 200, and the Eternal Cane is um, 450. And then Eternal, there's also the Eternal 3, which is like 1,300. So it it's either Nickels or the valuers who someone's not doing their job right. Because if you think about it, when it comes to these items, the Murder Mystery 2 shop promos, you're paying less and you're getting higher demand. But with this item, you're paying more and getting lower demand. And this also kind of counts for other items too. Like for example, um, what else? I think it was there have been certain like packages, but like yeah, and um in the end, I feel like it's just like not really fair because Nickels is expecting us to spend literally $100 on an item. $100 is what you would pay for the Luger cane, which leads me to my second point. Chromas here are really expensive, really high in demand. I highly doubt that a chroma that the Luger cane is as high as a chroma. Because as of now, the only item that comes near as close to a chroma and beating a chroma is the Eternal 3. Now here's the thing. You can either waste, which I call a waste because I think it's way too much money, $100 on that promo, or you can go on eBay and search up Murder Mystery 2. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Chroma. Now, these are actually legit sites, and as you can see, bam, Chroma's here, 75 bucks, $25 cheaper, and it's like what? Guaranteed 3,000 higher value. Same thing for the Chroma Gingerblade, $40, way cheaper and more value. Chroma Luger, the most expensive item for 130. Now this one is $100 more expensive, but if you think about it, the Chroma Luger is 17,000 seers. Do you honestly think that the Ginger Luger is going to be, I mean, the Luger cane is going to be up here? No, it's not. So it's like, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. Oh, Chroma Gemstone, that's like what, 4,000 seers. Chroma Heat, 115 bucks. I feel like he should make it cheaper, way cheaper. I feel like it should cost like 40 or 50, not 100. 100 is way too much. Look, all these chromas, and I've only done this like once or twice, but I've purchased from here before, and um, these are legit sites. These are all legit. These are all legit. All I'm saying is, I don't think that it's really fair that you want to overprice an item, but then have other places selling it for like a way like selling a better item for cheaper or for a little bit more, which kind of sucks in my opinion. But that's just me. So let's go to the shop real quick. It's lagging. But yeah, the tokens. 10,000. That's like $100. Not even. That's more than $100. That's that's a lot of money. It is, honestly, for a virtual item that has been proven to be duped before, which I believe it's not even fully patched because I've seen a lot more chromas recently. It's just, come on, man. You you really gotta. Hold on, I got disconnected. Okay, you really just gotta like look at it. Hold on. No, hold on. Something's lagging. 1 second, guys. As I was saying, it's being a little bit laggy, but yeah, honestly, I just think that it's like really overpriced and it shouldn't be that way. Honest opinion. Comment down below what you guys think. I'm gonna try to grind, but in the end, I don't. I feel like I'm just gonna end up getting a bunch of more tiers, and that's pretty much it, which unfortunately sucks. But I'm gonna have to deal with it. Let me know what you guys think about this whole mess. Just it's a thing. It's happening. I want your honest opinion on it. But yeah, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys later. Have a Merry Christmas. Giveaway still going on. Probably gonna end that this weekend, so I'll announce the giveaway later. Thanks again for 700 subs. Really appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys later.